Charlie team, adjust the flow rate on belt 2. We're getting backed up here.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Inputting the new coordinates now.
Check the synchronization with the main server. The lithium grade looks promising.
All charges loaded and scanned. Clear the blast zone. Barriers deploying now.
Sequence appears stable. Monitor the dust levels in Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Vents are activating on schedule.
Structural stability is green. Ore quality assessment at 85%.
Roger that. Updating the manifest.
Truck 3 is loaded, sending him out.
Copy that. Bring in the next one.
Truck 3 is loaded and proceeding to the ramp.
All right, bring the next one in.
Convoy 3, you are clear for the primary.
Roger that, approaching the hopper.
The optical sorters are maintaining a 98% accuracy rate.
Yes, the yield on the high-grade material has increased since the adjustments.
The automated samplers allow our technicians to process high volumes of ore with precision. Once labeled,
Sample 4B is ready for the oven.
Okay, I'm logging the pre-dry weight now. Make sure the timers are synchronized.
Check the iron levels on batch 4R. They seem high.
Verified. It's within the acceptable variance. Approved.
the nozzles are calibrated for optimal pressure. The synchronized with vibration removes the fine contaminants.
Increase the amplitude on deck 3 by 5%.
Done. Monitoring the flow rate now.
Silo 4 level is fluctuating.
Decreasing inflow by 5%. Levels are stabilizing now.
Check the gauge on line 3, we're losing head pressure.
All right, opening the bypass slightly.
Workers carefully adjust the bubble rates, ensuring the continuous flow of concentrate into the launders, a crucial step in mineral separation.
We're showing a slight drop here on the exit temp. Okay, I'll adjust the flow rate slightly.
Silo 4 is reading 90% capacity, confirmed.
Confirmed. Steady flow rate maintained.
the sensors are showing a precise climb.
Good. Maintain the current gas flow and monitor the LEDs.
The cooling process is critical. These sensors ensure the beta spodumene reaches optimal temperature before the next stage. Inside the ball mills, the roasted spodumene is ground to a fine powder, preparing the material for the crucial leaching stage. Cycle 46 engaged. Slurry intake is steady.
Acknowledged. Cake discharge complete on line 3.
Selective precipitation is used to remove magnesium. As the agents are added, flocculation occurs and the impurities settle out, leaving a clear solution.
Okay, this matches the manifest. You are clear. That's good right there. Hook up the strap. Okay, easy now. Bring it down. Make sure it locks in.
This is the critical entry point for materials like lithium carbonate.
These parameters are well within the acceptable range.
Good, let's clear them for packing.
Check the flow rate on loop 3. We're showing a slight variance.
Adjusting parameters now. Looks stable for the sealing process.
The cycle discharge rate on bay 4 is stabilizing.
Good, let's cross-reference that with the temperature logs for certification.
The synchronized movement ensures we meet the quotas for the EV line without delay.
The coordinated truck filling process ensures that the EV battery shipments are loaded with maximum efficiency, ready for transport.
Inspection complete on this batch. Get it moving to the line.
Roger that. Bringing the AGV around now.
Continuity check on harness 3.
Looks good. Securing the clips now.
The cycle test passed all parameters.
Confirmed. Send it down the line.
Battery systems check complete. All modules green.
Confirmed. Moving to chassis alignment.
Keep it moving. Next one coming down.
We need that blue sedan in bay 3.
We need this SUV centered under the main light.
Got it. How do the range signs look over here?
The pre-drive checks are complete, Mr. Chen. She's fully charged and ready for your test drive.
Congratulations once again. Here are the keys to your new EV, fully charged and ready to go.
Thank you so much. We can't wait to drive it.
Through a process of size reduction, the heavy blades shred the cells into this black mass, allowing for the recovery of critical materials.
Inside the leaching tank, acids dissolve the black mass, efficiently extracting the crucial lithium required for recycling.
Make sure the seals are tight on this batch.
Confirmed. Moving to pallet 7.